Hello everyone, this is Dr. Amrish Badgujar, Head Mechanical Engineering Department of Navratna University. Today I am here to discuss about why mechanical engineering and why Navratna University should be your first choice for the admission. Well, all of you know that mechanical engineering is an evergreen branch. That means for many years there is a constant demand for the mechanical engineers. The mechanical engineers are required in every sector, whether it is a government sector, public sector or private sectors. They are needed in small scale, medium scale, large scale industries as well as in multinationals. Some of the core mechanical engineering industries like 3D printing and rapid prototyping, hydraulic fracturing, autonomous vehicle technology and electrical vehicle technology, wind and solar technology are growing at a rate more than 25% per year. That means the mechanical engineers are going to be in demand in coming future. Here it is equally important to get trained from experts in the field. The Mechanical Engineering Department at Navratna University has highly qualified and experienced faculty members. Most of the faculty members have done their PhDs from premier institutions in India and abroad, and few are about to complete their PhD in years to come. An important thing worth mentioning over here is each of the subject in the curriculum is being taught by the domain expert. That means the students are getting detailed knowledge about that particular subject, and these subjects are also backed by the expert lectures from industries. Hence, the latest technologies are known to the students right at graduation level. The Mechanical Engineering Department at Navratna University has state-of-art laboratories for hands-on and for research purpose. Many of the faculty members in the department are involved in consultancy work and research project of national importance. Hence, the students are getting an opportunity to work on live project, which is very much important for the advanced learning. The faculty members at Mechanical Engineering Department are also guiding and helping the students for the competitive exams. A major emphasis in the department is given on project-based learning and skill-based education, which is very much required in industry. The university and the department also promotes extracurricular and co-curricular activities. A focus is given on interdisciplinary education. Most of the students after graduating from mechanical engineering are getting placed in multinationals in India. Many of them are going out of the country for further education in the countries like US, Canada and Germany. The university also supports to the startups. A few have turned into entrepreneurs also. The success of the students speaks a lot about the kind of motivation and the kind of rigorous training provided by the faculty members in the department. Hence, if you want to bring out the best in you, be here and be the champion in the future. Thank you for your time and hope to see you all in Mechanical Engineering Department of Navratna University in future. Thank you.